when there is difference in the number of digits. The number with a higher number of digits will always be bigger than the number with a smaller number of digits. In this case, when using the greater than and less than symbol to compare two numbers, the diverging arm of the symbol will face the bigger number while the converging arm will face the smaller number. And when comparing these two, you see that the diverging arm is facing the bigger number and the converging arm is facing the smaller number. In this worked example, in comparing whole numbers, when there is difference in the number of digits, we are expected to write the biggest and the smallest numbers in the following numbers given: 241, 98, 3005, and 47156. The number with the higher number of digits or highest number of digits is the biggest. In this case, 241 has 3 digits, 98 2 digits, 3005 4 digits, 47156 5 digits. So the last one takes first position. This one takes second position. This takes third position, and this takes last position. So the biggest number is 47156. The smallest number, the one with the lowest number of digits, is 98. The steps and the trick involved in comparing whole numbers having the same number of digits. First, in steps, write out the numbers line by line. And next, eliminate equal digits starting from the first, moving rightwards. For the trick, compare the values of the figures of the remaining digits of the numbers and assign positions. Next, worked examples on this. Worked example 1, in comparing whole numbers of the same number of digits. We are expected to arrange these numbers here in ascending and descending order of magnitude. On the first step, we write the numbers line by line. On the second step, we eliminate the digits starting from the first digit, moving rightwards. So in this case, we have 9, the first digit of the numbers. So we can use 9 to ascertain. So we eliminate 9. Moving to the second digit, we have 6. And they all have 6 as the second digit. So we eliminate 6 because we can't use it to ascertain. Here comes the trick. The trick now requires that we read the remaining digits of the numbers and then assign positions: 35, 53, 58, and 40. 58 is the biggest, so it takes first position. 53, second position. 40, third position. And lastly, 35 takes last position. So the numbers are arranged ascending order, meaning from the smallest to the biggest: fourth, third, second, and first. And in descending order, from the biggest to the smallest: first, second, third, and fourth. Here comes the worked example 2 in comparing whole numbers of the same number of digits. Given the set of numbers, we are expected to find the biggest and the least of the numbers. So, following the steps, we write out the numbers line by line. Then we eliminate the digits starting from the first digit, moving rightwards. So in this case, we have the first digit as 7. So we rule out the first digit of the numbers because we can't use it to ascertain. Then next, to apply the trick, then we read the values of these numbers since we are having difference from the second digits 2, 3, 0, 2, 3. So we read the values. This is 2,496, 3,107, 71, 2,964, 3,250. So 3,250 takes the first position. 3,107 takes second position. 2,964 takes third position. 2,496 takes fourth position. And 71 takes last position. The biggest is 73250. The smallest is 70071. In this test yourself section of comparing whole numbers, you are given two different sets of numbers, A and B, and you are required in each of them to find the largest number, smallest number, and also to arrange in ascending and descending order of magnitude. Enter your answers in the comment section and I will check them out. In the answers to test yourself section of comparing whole numbers, for the A part, the biggest number is 81205 and the smallest number is 825. The numbers are arranged in ascending order of magnitude. The descending order of magnitude is the reversed order of the ascending order. For the B part, the biggest number is 34188 and the smallest number is 34148. The numbers are arranged in descending order of magnitude. The reverse order gives the ascending order of magnitude.